candles. These were his happy thoughts. What is this old dude? Tycho.
Brush of love.
I like it. Hannah Montana?
No.
What's that stuff? I'm looking for two things. Nah, it's not. TP link. This is good because it links you to the toilet paper.
Oh, good. There you go, a little trail.
Yeah. Sabernet. That's all like repair stuff.
What is this?
Digital security control. I don't know what this stuff is. This is like, I don't know. Siren. Oh, it's like an alarm system, I think. I don't even know. I don't see the Christmas Village Tina wanted me to look for.
What's in there? You're my best view.
Yep. Mary Kay. Gonna have to do quite a bit of editing.
The audio.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be a pain to sell.
No, Tina would like it. Spooky, scary skeleton.
And hangers. And
he looks dead. Tina would like this. Send a picture of that to Tina. I don't have my phone.
Okay.
Ask her if she likes it. It's probably too big for where she would want to use it. Maybe not though. It'd be a nice side table. How much is the world's loudest side table?
$25. It's a pure one.
Okay. It was an import. It's an import.
Yes. So there's an extra $2 fee for an import.
Yeah.
No, I refinished it. The metal bars are in here.
Okay. Yeah, it's cool.
It's a really pretty wood underneath. I kind of wish I never would have refinished it because I have the original ones in the living room.
Oh, really? This is the post-refinished one.
I didn't have room for that piece, but... Yeah, you're not eating frosting for breakfast, so...
Here's some Christmas.
There you go. What's that? Oh, cool. That's okay.
Hello, dog.
Stop! I didn't mean that.
Hey.
I didn't mean that. Yes.
What did you mean this?
Apples.
Apple. Yeah,
That's old school.
that is. Glowworms, too.
Is that what that is? Glowworms. Yeah, glow bugs. Those are cool.
We got more small ones.
Oh, okay. Here, you can put it down. Take a look. That's cool. 1983. Spearhead. Do you recognize that one?
No.
Kind of cool though.
Are you into size?
Am I into size? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Magic Nursery.
Come on, Jack, let's go home. Come on, girl. Go home.
Chad, it's your favorite stuffed animals.
Yeah.
50 cents each. How much are these bigger ones? These are 50.
Yeah.
How much are the bigger like these?
Mid-size 2.
$2?
Don't let the dogs out, okay?
Larger ones, I don't think is in here. I got some that are bigger than these. Or I say 3 for the big ones. And I'll work with you.
Yeah. Let me see what else I find.
That doesn't mean good.
Yeah.
Some belt bears if the lady don't take them.
Some what bears?
Belt bears.
Oh,
Belt
cool.
bears,
Yeah, I'll come take
those.
them.
Oh, man, I got all my JCPenney bears in the attic from the Christmas. Crystals.
Well, that's come out next.
I don't know on some of those.
Yeah.
That's a giant Elmo.
Stuff you like Christmas pins. There's a bunch there in the middle.
What do you think on all these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $4.
Yeah, I do that. Yeah, I can handle $4. Let me set them over.
Right in my palm.
Let me get it for you.
Yeah, let's not do that.
I'm telling you,
We're already getting toasty moving around.
There you go.
They don't say your bind has to end.
You got what?
No, yeah, that's true. I can still look. I was kind of waiting for you. So we can go in here?
Well, we're bringing the tables out, so make it easier.
Ooh, careful. The disaster waiting to happen.
That's when I lay it down.
Oh my God, Jocelyn.
Belky bears.
I'll just send my money down.
Are those worth anything? I don't know.
Do not let the dogs out.
They're cute.
Not chasing them.
These are kind of cool.
Okay, I'm ready.
Buy a bunch of plushies. Yeah, those are interesting ones. Here. Should we help? We could grab this one.
Girls, why don't you go home?
Yeah, let's just do it. Ah, just bring it out over there. Alright, we're helping at this point.
Thank you.
We're setting this sucker up.
Appreciate it.
Go past, like, all the way to where the electronics are.
No, well, the small boxes I got sorted, I'll put out on tables.
How much he charge you for the big bear? Did you ask him yet?
No, I ain't asked.
Yeah, those are cute. I might ask him how much. One of the other ones are.
But they don't play.
Yeah, I might need batteries. You need a GPS?
No, have fun.
You got one of them phones, huh? I've heard of them.
I'll take the GPS. The mouse.
That mouse is cool. Does it have the, doesn't it need like a dongle? My hands are dirty from touching something that's gross. Open. Oh, dang, look at that. Ooh. How much is this? 20. It's like a Harmony thing, like a universal remote. It's a little high. Chad, is this a cassette player? No.
Yes, those are responded.
Whatever. That's your problem.
Sure.
What a
Yes,
jerk.
I got that.
4.5 volt power. I don't know.
Tina right there. So.
I know. I'm saying that one cord was to get me.
What about this little chrome?
$5.
Me. What is it? It's probably a barometer.
Yeah, it has the temperatures in it. So.
Yeah. Here's a buck for that little radio. You don't have any cassette players, do you? Found a bunch of cassettes at a yard sale.
You got like a little handheld?
Doesn't matter.
Dang.
Anything that'll play a cassette.
I'm trying to think where. I've got 2 or 3, but I'm trying to think where they are.
Hang on.
We found a bunch of cassettes at a yard sale. There we go.
I'm trying to figure. My mother was in a nursing home the last year of her life.
Yeah.
And my sister. You had to write the names on everything. I was trying to figure out a way to either.
Maybe some mineral spirits. I have some of those at home. I have them at home. How much would you sell that for?
I don't know, $5.
How much are the Belky Bears?
4. If you'd buy all 4, I'll do $10. That's $2.50 a piece.
I think she might be buying one though. You're not gonna do it? $10 and $5.
Yeah.
15.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
See, you
I'll do that.
kindergarten. I know you're good on numbers.
Yeah, hey, you know, I'm a pro.
That's
Yeah, I'll
one
do
list
that for
I'll have to
15.
clean up.
I really just want to listen to these. Let me see if I can spend 5 more so I don't have to break. What else you got in there? In your little bag of goodies
Well,
there.
that's what I'm saying. I'm emptying out, and I just this stuff I hadn't gone through.
Yeah.
Radio, hair dryer,
Umbrella.
umbrella. We got parts.
All right, let's put this over here.
Let's see how much good the other way. Where's the hair stuff? The hair kit.
Oh, the one that everybody kept asking me.
Oh, we'll be on. Okay, I'm gonna put
Whatever, it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably should talk him down on that, but because I don't know about the bears at all.
What is it?
The hair.
Here's the 15. Where's all your bike stuff?
Now
Sell
it's
it all?
on the way to Mexico.
Mexico. Why Mexico?
Some guy bought it all. He said his brother had a picture.
Rollers and stuff.
Interesting.
But yeah, I don't know. That's something I can't explain. It's just not a man thing.
JBL.
They're doing the hair.
Get some food in my belly.
Well, oh, did we look at this one? That seems like it cropped up out of nowhere.
Let's look at behind.
Yeah. Is this from Gumby?
Yeah.
I don't think they make
It's
it.
Pokey.
People don't know who he is.
Oh, Gumby?
Yep.
I remember Gumby.
I remember Toodle.
Toodles. These were his happy thoughts. What is this old dude?
Brush your
Tycho.
loves. Brush love. Brush a love.
I like it. Smell it. What is?
And Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Is that what is
I
this?
don't know. That's creepy.
Is there a tag on it? I mean, this might be homemade.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I've like really violated him at this point, though.
I think you owe him a dinner now.
I mean, this guy looks familiar too. Didn't we have him?
Yeah.
This pet. Wild or public? No, they got a website on there. Means it's not old. That's dirty. Ah. I'm buying all the plush.
You're very quiet.
It smells
Well, there's no
funny.
ripping in the pond, so we can go in there.
So she didn't respond on the table?
No.
What if you called her?
I'll text Lindsay and tell her.
Alright, I found 3 more.
Alright.
How much on these, sir?
$2. Make you happy. You give them a good home.
They'll get a good home.
Well, that's the way of doing that. We've worked hard training them well.
Yeah.
I with my chicken. The guy asked about it, but he said no.
I'd take this stand for 15 bucks.
Okay.
Sweet. It'll be out of your hair.
It's very heavy. I don't want to bring it back in.
I'm gonna make him
It's a lot
carry
of
it.
pressure on a brain noodles.
No. Do you have 5?
Well, somebody took my chicken.
It's funny.
Okay. Someone took it?
Yeah,
Like stole it?
yeah.
Who
About
steals a
big-
man's
A
chicken?
big chicken.
That's horrible.
Well, it happens.
Oh yeah, I know.
Do you want us to turn out our pockets?
Nah, it wouldn't fit in your pockets. I mean, it's big as that.
Did you have a big crowd yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, we're pretty busy.
Wow.
Yeah, early in the morning, it was crazy.
This Elmo is so ridiculous. He's huge.
He's so cuddly though.
I'm about to move these guys anyways. Chuck it. Chunk it. Yeah, we gotta carry this giant stand now. I mean, for 15, I can refinish it. That is cool.
That is actually.
A DJ mixer mat. I have a piano version, but not a DJ mixer version. Yo, and we got a cassette player. Dreams do come true. We can listen to our cassettes. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. How much is this?
Uh,
Telephone.
yeah. I don't think everybody really needs a corded phone in your house today.
Yeah,
I think
that'll
that's-
clean off, I think.
Because people don't realize when the internet goes out, you have an actual,
Yeah.
like for your alarm system, I've had to use mine a couple times.
Yeah.
That's why I said, well, shoot, maybe somebody bought one.
How much?
$4. Or maybe an offer.
Trying to decide how many dollars worth I need it. $2.
All right. In case we go out tonight, they'll buy me a half of another beer.
Half of a beer.
Significant.
No, that's not bad.
Oh, 2 of us.
Is there anything else we want before we leave?
Well, let's just get this truck so try to get picked up.
Okay.
Maybe get the box in.
Break the whole table.
You breaking your back?
Nope, no.
Everything on that table.
Ow. Walk up next to me so it's not hitting me in the back of the knees.
Twist around. You're the one who had to buy the heaviest thing there.
She told me to look out for a little side table.
I think she meant side hustle.
Maybe she didn't mean side. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
It really is. I told you. What?